Here I have Jaecoo 5, and on this example let me show you how to enable or disable the automatic emergency braking, and let me explain how it works. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your Jaecoo car. Then let's find and select the settings. It's located right here at the top right corner. Then from the left menu, let's select the third option, which is the driver assistance. Now you need to scroll down here until you see this section, and here you've got the automatic emergency braking. So if you would like to enable it, let's just use this switcher, and this is a critical active safety feature. If the forward collision warning triggers and you fail to step on the brakes, the car will automatically slam on the brakes for you. This feature is designed to prevent a front-end crash entirely at lower city speed or greatly minimize the impact energy during the high-speed scenarios. So I think it's crucial to have this enabled. You've got here also definition from the Jaecoo. So when this function is activated, the system will detect if the car is in danger of collision with an obstacle ahead of your vehicle and apply the emergency brake if the driver fails to brake in time or the braking is insufficient. So I think it's really important to have this enabled, so let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.